Hello students. So today we are discussing in our video graphing a straight line, that is how to graph a straight line. Now the lines will be given in gradient intercept form. Now suppose you have to draw the graph of draw the graph you have to draw the graph of y equals mx plus c. Okay, so the first point that you should remember is that first of all use this y-intercept. Y-intercept. You have to use this y-intercept c. You know that c is the y-intercept. Okay, to plot the point, and the point will be 0 comma c. Okay, so let's draw it over here. Suppose this is your coordinate axis, and you know that if c is a point, so suppose c is here, so you just plot the point this c over here. Okay, now the next part, the second point will be, point 2 is use x and y step. Okay, so use x and y step from gradient. So x and y step from gradient to locate another point. Now to locate another point on the line. Okay, so you are using x and y step from the gradient to locate another point on the line. And third step, what you will do, you will join these 2 points. You are going to join these 2 points and extend the line in either direction. Okay, so you see that as we have drawn it over here, this is the y-intercept, and then you use those x and y, like how many steps towards right or up or down, take another point and join. So let's take an example that will give you a better understanding. So let's start with an example now. So now here is an example. So see, you draw the graph of y equals 6 by 5x minus 3. So the given equation is y equals 6 by 5x minus 3. Now see, what's the first step? The first step was to get the y-intercept. Over here the y-intercept c is what? Minus 3. So see, what we will do, see, take this graph. Now we are taking this graph. Okay, so this graph over here, we take c. We know that c over here, this is minus 3. So suppose now put this point as minus 3. Okay, we are done with this point. Now what do you have to do? Now see, our next step is to x and y step from the gradient. So what is the gradient? Gradient m is 6 by 5. Okay, so we know that gradient is 6 by 5, that is y step by x step. So over here x, you see what is x step over here? X step over here is positive 5 and y step over here is positive 6. So see, what we will do over here is that, see, x step, you remember 6 by 5. Okay, so 5 steps towards right, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 over here, and then 6 steps, positive means 6 step up, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is a 6 step, and the point is, as you can see, 5 comma 3. Okay, now you can see the point is 5 comma 3, and this one is 0 comma minus 3. Now what do you have to do? You just have to extend these lines. So I'm now extending these lines. First of all, join these lines. Okay, and now you can also extend these lines. I'm extending it from point here, so this will be the graph. Okay, so this, sorry for this, let's make it properly, line. Okay, so this will be the extended graph for this. I hope you understood this. Now we are moving on to the next question. Now the second question is, suppose we have to draw the graph of, and the equation they have given, y equals minus 5 by 3x minus 1. So now over you see what is the y-intercept, that c is equals minus 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to put substitute minus 1, the point c as minus 1 over here. So this is the point minus 1. So doing this as minus 1. Okay, now again what's the slope? Slope m is minus 5 by 3. The gradient, which we know that is y and by x. So see, x is positive but the y is negative. That means positive x means we move like 3 steps towards right, and y is negative, so we'll move 5 steps downward. So let's go to the graph. So here is the graph. Okay, so from here, see, what was this? This was minus 5 by 3. Just remember, see, 3 units towards right, 1, 2, 3. This is towards 3, and 5 units down. So from here only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the point, and this point is, as you can see, 3 comma minus 6, and this was point 0 comma minus 1. So now join these 2 points and you will get the graph of the line. You can further extend it if you want to extend the graph. So this will be the extended part. So by this will be a straight line graph of the given question. Now the next one. Now how to draw the graph of the lines which is given in the general form. Now suppose you have to draw the graph of the equation is ax plus by equals d. So now you have to draw the graph of this. So first step will be you have to find the y-intercept. Actually you will find both the intercepts, x-intercept and the y-intercept. So you will find the y-intercept first. Intercept. Okay, and by how? By putting x equal to 0, you will get the y-intercept. Second step is you find the x-intercept. You find x-intercept by putting y equals to 0. Okay, now the third point is join the points, and then what you will do, simple join the points that will complete your graph, or you can extend the lines to complete the graph. Lines in like both direction or either direction, in both directions. Okay, so now let's take an example to solve this. Now the another example is draw the graph of, so they have given you 2x plus 5y equals 15. Now you have to draw the graph of this. So again, the first step, you find the y-intercept. So y-intercept, what you'll do, you put x equal to 0. So just substitute x equal to 0 over here, this will be 0. So 5y equals 15. 5y equals 15. So what will be y? Y will be 15 by 5. That equals 3. So the point that you have to get is 0, 3. So let's draw the point in the graph. So point is 0, 3. 0, 3 is this point. You can see this is 0, 3. So we have drawn the point. Now let's find the x-intercept. So what do you have to do? Just find the x-intercept. Okay, so for the x-intercept, what do you do? Put y equal to 0. So when you put y equal to 0, 2x will be 15. So what will be x? X is 15 by 2, or you can write 7.5. So the point will be 7.5 comma 0. So now let's go to the graph. 7.5 comma 0 is over here around, like this is 7.5 comma 0. 7.5 comma 0. Now you know that what you have to do, you join these 2 points to complete the graph, or you can extend the graph on, like, both the directions, like see, on either directions. So this is the given graph. Okay, now they have given you draw the graph of, now the equation is, suppose the equation is 3x minus 4y equals minus 24. Now how to draw the graph of this? So our first step is we can find the y-intercept. Y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, what you will do? You put x equal to 0. If you substitute x equal to 0 over here, 3x, 3 into 0 will be 0, minus this is 4y equals minus 24. Okay, minus minus will get cancelled because this will be 4y equals minus 24. You can just cancel minus minus, y will be 24 by 4, that equals 6. Now see, we have got the y-intercept. Y-intercept means the point 0 comma 6. Okay, so do one thing, let's draw the point 0 comma 6 over here. So this is the y-intercept, 0 comma 6 will be this point. Okay, so this is 0 comma 6. Good. Now what we have to do? Now we will from this equation only we are going to find the x-intercept. So the x-intercept will be, you put y equal to 0. When you put y equal to 0, so this 4y will become 0. So 3x equals minus 24. So what will be x? X equals minus 8. So the point will be minus 8 comma 0. So let's substitute the point minus 8 comma 0 over here. So minus 8 comma 0, as you can see, is over here, minus 8 comma 0. Now it's very simple. As you all know, we can just join these 2 points to get the graph of the line, or you can either extend it like in both direction if you want to extend. So extending it in both direction will give you like this kind of a graph. So hence our graph is complete. Now another example. Now students, one point that you should note is that, see, if the equation is given like ax plus by equals d, you know that this is the general form of the equation of the line. Now if d equals 0, that means it is like ax plus by equals 0. So when d is 0, that means the graph is passing through origin, that is passing through origin. Origin is 0 comma 0. Now this point you should keep it in your mind, and we can use see we already have the point which is the origin 0 comma 0, and the x and y steps that you will take is that you can do it by the gradient, like y equals, you see, if you rearrange these by will be equals minus ax. Now what will be y? Y is minus a by b of x. So the x and y step that you will use is minus a by b. Okay. Now suppose you have to draw the graph of, consider this question, you have to draw the graph of 2x minus 4y equals 0. Now we know that the graph is passing through the origin. Now see, we can find the gradient of this. So see, minus 4y equals, this will be minus 2x. This and this minus minus becomes positive. So y is 2 by 4x, which is, that means y equals half x. So half x means that the slope is 1 by 2, that is the y step is 1 and the x step is 2, and it is passing through the origin. So this is passing through origin. So we have 1.0 comma 0. So let's go to the graph. See, suppose this is the graph. Okay. Now we know that one of the point is origin 0 comma 0, and we know that this has a gradient of 1 by 2 which is y by x. So taking x 2 steps towards right, 1 2, this is 2, and 1 step up this. So this is another point which is 2 comma 1, and 0 comma 0 is the other point which was the origin. Now you can just join these 2 points to get the graph of the line, or you can extend this in the either direction. So this will give you the complete graph. Okay, hope this point is clear. Now students, here we have a question. Now consider the line with equation 2x minus 3y equals 18. Okay, find the axis-intercept of the line. Okay, so let's start with the axis-intercept. So the given equation is 2x minus 3y equals 18. Okay, so what will be the x-intercept? To find the x-intercept, we put y equals 0. Okay, so x and the y equal to 0, so 2x equals 18, so x will be 9. So we have point 9 comma 0 is the point. And for the y-intercept, put x equals 0. So this will be 3y, sorry, minus 3y, because this will be 0, no? So minus 3y equals 18. That means what is y? Y is 18 by minus 3, that is minus 6. The point will be 0 comma minus 6. Okay, so simultaneously see, I am drawing it because ultimately they are saying draw the graph of the line. So let's keep on drawing the graph. Okay, oh sorry, what are the points? 9 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 6. Okay, point 9 comma 0, so this is the point, 1 point, 9 comma 0, and then we have 0 comma minus 6. So this is the point which will be 0 comma minus 6. So we have the axis intercept. Okay. So okay, now what's the B part? B part is determine where the following point lie on the line. Okay, so we can do it over here. Now the B part is 3 comma minus 4. So see, what do you have to do? You just have to substitute in this 2x minus 3y, that should be equals 18. That means x is 3 and you have to substitute y as minus 4. So 2 into 3 minus 3 into minus 4 equals that should be 18. So 2 into 3 is 9 and this becomes plus 3 4s are 12. Sorry, oh I'm very sorry, 2 into 3 is 6. I'm really sorry for this, I don't know what I'm doing. 2 into 3 is 6 and this is plus 12, which is equals to 18 only. Hence this point lies on the given line. Now 7 comma minus 2, okay, let's do it over here. 7 comma minus 2, the equation is 2x minus 3y equals 18, and you have to substitute 7 comma minus 2. So substitute x as 7, y as minus 2, and that should be equals to 18. If it is equals to 18, then that this point lies on this line. So 2 times 7 minus 3 times minus 2. Okay, so 7 into 2 is 14 and this is plus 6. Now 14 plus 6 is actually 20. So this point doesn't lie on the given line. So 7 comma minus 2 doesn't lie on the given line. So 3 comma minus 4 we can check from the graph also. See, you can check from the graph. Just a second. The point 3 comma minus 4 was lying on it, on the line. So first of all, let's draw the graph. Let's even draw the graph. I think that's no harm in drawing the graph. Well, ultimately we have to draw the graph and we can check 3 comma 4. Okay, so this was 3 comma minus 4. See, 3 comma minus 4. So let's see. Now 3 comma minus 4. As you can see, 3 comma minus 4 is this point and it is lying on the graph. 3 comma minus 4. That means we are correct. And also the point that was not lying is 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. If we look at 7 comma minus 2, that point is over here. This 7 and this is minus 2. See, this is 7 comma minus 2, which is not lying in this graph. That means we are correct. Okay. Now the third part, find C. We can do it over here. Find C such that 3 comma minus C lies on the line. Okay, so they are saying that keep this point. See, the line is 2x minus 3y equals 18. Now 3 comma minus C lies on the line. So what we have to do? We have to substitute the value of x as 3 and y as minus 3. So this is 2 into 3 minus 3 into minus C equals 18. That should be equals to 18 because this point lies on the line. So 3 into 2 is 6 and this will be plus 3C equals 18. So what will be 3C? 3C equals 18. You take 6 to that side, that will be negative. 18 minus 6, that is 12. That means 3C equals 12. So C equals 4. The value of C is 4. Okay. I think I done something wrong. 3 comma minus C. So this is was the point 3 comma C? Yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah, 3 comma C. Yeah. So C equals 4. Okay, C equals to 4. Now they are saying draw the graph of the line showing the results that you have found. So the graph of the line, as we have already, we have drawn, and all the results is shown in the graph only. You can see it clearly. I hope, student, this is clear for you. Hope you understood this, and soon we will be coming with more videos. So thanks for watching.